Bartender. Today, we're going to be making the Hot Apple Cinnamon, a budget home bartender original drink. This drink is a carefully crafted blend of Fireball whiskey and apple flavoring with a splash of ginger ale. With the holidays approaching, if you plan on entertaining friends and relatives, safely of course in regards to the pandemic, this makes a perfect holiday drink that I think you, your friends, and family will enjoy. So, without further ado, let's get mixing. First, we'll fill our mixing tin with ice. For our base liquor, we're using Fireball whiskey. Fireball is a mixture of Canadian whiskey and cinnamon flavoring. We'll add 2 ounces. Our next ingredient is sour apple schnapps. Schnapps is a type of liqueur that may take several forms, including distilled fruit brandies, herbal liquors, and infusions. We are going to pour 1 ounce. Next, we're going to pour 1 ounce of apple juice. This is going to not only complement the spicy, sour apple cinnamon flavor of the drink, but also add a bit of sweetness to it as well. Now we're going to add some cinnamon sugar into our mix. This will really tie together the cinnamon whiskey and the apple flavors. Now, we're going to give this drink a good hearty shake for about 12 seconds. Now, to put our Hawthorne strainer onto our mixing tin and single strain it into our tall glass. Let's give this a taste. Perfect. Next, we are going to fill a tall glass with as much crushed ice that we can fit in there. And now we're going to top this all off with ginger ale, or in my case, diet ginger ale. Now we want to add a little bit more crushed ice until it's overflowing from the top. And now we're going to drizzle some grenadine into the drink, and this will give it a nice red festive look. For the garnish, we're going to keep it simple and just drop a cherry in. As an added garnish, if you have cinnamon sticks, you can use those as well, but unfortunately I do not have any. And there it is, the Hot Apple Cinnamon, a budget home bartender original drink. I hope you give my recipe a try. Let me know in the comments what you think. Also, be sure to check out the description area for my social media information. Thanks for watching, happy mixing, and be good to each other. Take care.